So today we're going to be talking about spider plants and how to grow more of them from one plant. So how to propagate them off of the mother plant. So we're going to go over here to a spider plant we got right here. Spider plants will send off these branches from the main plant. It doesn't have to be this big, it can be a lot smaller, but there's like multiple of them growing in here. So basically, let's see if we can find one. I already pulled most of them off to plant to my other area, but oh, here we go. Here's one. So we got one of the spider plants right here. This one growing off of the main plant. This thing's a little thing that sends off usually in the wild, and the plant will start growing roots right along here. You can see a little root starting to come in right there. So that's exactly what we need to break off. You could either sever it from this side and that side to get it off, or you could literally just break it off the stem. It's hard to film it while I'm doing this, but I'll do my best. Just pull it back, wiggle it a little bit, and pop. As you can see, we got right there. Let's focus. Okay. Anyway, the two little root things coming off of it. So let's take this over here, and one thing we can do with this is we can just drop this thing right into a cup of water, just like that, just how it is, and that will grow roots down there at the base. Yeah, so that'll grow roots at the base, and that will be able, you could just pull it out and then drop it in dirt, or you could leave it in water. It won't grow very much in water. It won't die either, so that's always a plus. So after it, I have a lot more in here, but, focus, there we go. After it grows, you can grab the end, or even if you don't even need to have it grow. In fact, some of these are getting really well in, and all these plants right here, I just poked the normal plant in like that and dropped it down there and then covered it up with dirt. This, yeah, that's really it, honestly. That plant will grow roots down in the dirt and become a whole new plant, and that's the size of my hand if you're wondering how much soil I'm giving them. Not very much for how many plants are in here, but I also kind of want them to be confounded. Don't know why. Just for fun to see what will happen. It's just a little science experiment. But basically, that's a simple way to propagate these plants. Very easy. They'll grow roots in the water if you leave them in there. It actually looks really cool. So if it's your first time doing it, to bring up the probability of success, I would definitely do that instead. Yeah, so just put it in water. You can't go wrong with it. Yeah. So if you liked what you watched, I would highly consider subscribing. And next week we're going to be doing it on lucky bamboo, and then after that, maybe some pothos or golden pothos. That would be a good one. Bamboo is a good one coming up. Yeah, like this video. See ya.